All right, so not sure why I chose to share this or even record this in the first place, but yeah, this is an Ikea cabinet that was recently built. Yeah, in case people are curious, like what the shelves and stuff look like in here. Yeah, this is basically, I actually forget which model this is, so not super helpful if this is something you are interested in yourself. But yeah, I figured I'd just I recorded the video and I figured I'd just share it and post it out for everyone to see. So yeah, here you go.